Right, show you right here. Can you see her okay?
Are you getting Evie?
Hey! Oh. Where are we going?
There's the army crawl.
Oh! You got an Evie on your back.
Oh, she's trying to sit up, but Evie's in her way.
Here she goes. She's gonna do this inside now. Oh, spin around. Yeah, here you go, here you go. She does that, she'll have something, she'll start trying to sit up, and then she'll be too far from it, she can't reach it.
Aww.
She'll be playing, unless she's holding when she sits up. Are you gonna sit up? She's such a hold on. Oh, that's good. You held on the whole time.
Nice work, Alex. Too bad I got you from the back and not the front when you did that. Look at Mama's big girl. Oh. Excuse you. All right, such balance.
You don't want these turn you on? You did. That's what happened.